Okay, I've got a bunch of pieces off an old, one of them old leg vices, or a blacksmith vice, in here, in the tank, in the electrolysis tank. And I had this thing years and years ago. It was down at my mom's and dad's place, and somehow it got took out of the shop there, and I guess thrown out in a pile of junk or something. So now I'm going to try to clean the thing back up again. I don't know. Oh, get out of there. Naturally. Probably got pliers. I got everything but what I need here. Well, anyway, let's see what's hanging on here. Oh, come out of there. Come out of there. This stuff been there since yesterday. It's not been quite 24 hours. And boy, I'll tell you what, I'm glad I came on to old boy doing this electrolysis stuff, because it really does a job taking that rust and stuff off. I should have had this, should have showed this before I put it in there. Stuff's a rusty mess, but it's pretty old. I got a little bit of oil on this old rag. It ain't enough, but looks better. I don't know, I got one big piece in here. This piece here is pretty big. And anyway, I'm going to try to I might need to go back in there again. I don't know. It don't ain't quite as good as it could be here on the front. I really don't know much about these old vices. I don't know if I said vice or what. This needs a little more treatment, I think. But amazing how that works. But, anyway, I want to go ahead and put this one back in there in a minute, because it does need a little more work. And let's see, this piece here. Yeah, I know everybody's worried about it's going to blow up the nitrogen and all that, but I've done it quite a few times since I discovered it, and I haven't blown up anything yet, but there's always the first time. Let's see what you got here. This is the heavy part. Come out of there. Come out there. Yeah. Up, see daisy, up, see daisy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's getting much better. Much better. Oh yeah. That thing was all old, rusty mess while earlier, but I took most of that shit off there. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think that needs to go. I don't know if that needs to be going back in there or not. I don't think it does need to. There's that. Yeah. I'll take this one off here. I still got the big leg part of it to do, and I got to put it in two different pieces because it's too big to fit in my tub here. Oh, back here. There you go. Now then, attempt to wipe this junk off. I don't know how you're supposed to identify these, if you are even, I don't know. I know there's I've seen on the internet there's 2 or 3 different makers, but this thing looks to me like it just hammered out of a piece of iron or something. I don't know, but yeah. Wow, that's heavy. And I need to go ahead and put some oil and stuff on that. But anyway, let's see, we did say we were going to put that other piece back in there, didn't we? Alright, because it could stand another treatment right here. Put that back in there, kind of put that around there. And I still got some more to do. Yeah, that thing don't need to be there. We got this. Let's see. Get that. Yeah. Let's attempt to put that in there. That'll make pretty good contact. I'm going to put it up here farther to the end, and like that. And then let this go down in here. Don't get it all in. Yeah. Don't want to get them side pieces, but other than that, it's alright. Yeah, come on, get it. Get it. There. It's just barely under the water. find that little collar. And it's got to go there too. Here it is. I don't know if I can get enough, get a good enough contact on this or not without doing something to it. So we'll try it. This is not something that's going to be done today. So we'll attempt to do this. Let's see, put it down in there. That's good. Get on it. Get on in there. Ah, there you go. Alright. Now I'll hook this back up closer to it. Well, we ain't got no contact for some reason. What's going on here? Okay, that's the negative. Alright, what's going on here? Yeah, somehow not getting any contact on something. Leave it up there. Up there. That had nothing to do with it. Nope, that ain't gonna do a thing for it. That ain't gonna do a thing for it. That. This. I had to make these little clips because I didn't have any. Get that on here. Well, I don't know about that. Maybe I unplugged it. It don't look like it's doing anything, but we shall persevere. But anyway, that's enough of this. I gotta get busy and try to cut out a piece of bracket for that. All right, that's it for now.